Ana hudu. Tafi da hutu. Yaro ba yawa guda ɗaya. Duka. Su mai nasa. Ya ne rijiyar zaki. Na tirawa. Ɗan dama hudu ka tafi.
I think you have said it all. This is for only 2 days operation. Only 2 days.
Nigerian na yawa Dragon. Gogarwa. Sabon gari. Kula. Larabawa. Gwale.
Kaga, ka bari.
Mandawari.
Muje.
Garko. Kwakwaci. Rijiyar lemo. Gezawa. Hotoro. Garin malam.
Shif.
Cikin wada. Manir waye jiyo ne
Senior officers of the Kano State Police Command, gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. I have convened this briefing to update the people of Kano State on the current situation. To present the result of our recent statewide operation and to reaffirm the command's commitment to consolidating the gains we are recording in the fight against crime. Kano's role as a commercial and cultural hub requires a policing approach that is proactive, intelligence-led, and closely aligned with communities. In line with the directive of the Inspector General of Police, IGP Olatunji Lwandisu, PSC Daga, MPF, the Kano State Police Command has intensified targeted operation aimed at dismantling criminal networks, intercepting weapons, and disrupting drug supply chains. Acting on credible intelligence and community reports, the command concluded a coordinated clearance operation across all 44 local governments of Kano State. The 3-day operation ran from Friday 5th June to Sunday 7th June 2026, with a focus on identified black spot, criminal hideouts, and drug distribution points. The outcome underscore both the scale of the challenge and the effectiveness of our strategy. 345 suspects were taken into custody, including suspected thugs, drug peddlers, and persons found with offensive weapons. All evidence warrants. 270 dangerous weapons, including knives, cutlasses, clubs, and other implements used to perpetrate the violence. A substantial quantity of suspected illicit substances, including cannabis sativa, Exol tablets, and the lethal mixture known locally as soak and die. These seizures directly reduce the capacity of criminal groups to harm law-abiding citizens and destabilize communities. Enabling factors: Operation Kukankura and the BCRU, two key common initiatives, drove this success. Operation Kura remains active statewide. It has enhanced visibility policing, reduced response time to distress calls, and denied criminal elements the space to regroup in flashpoints. The Violent Crime Response Unit, BCRU, recently launched, has sharpened our tactical response to armed violence and gang activity. Its intelligence and rapid deployment functions have improved our ability to act swiftly on actionable information. As I stated on assumption of duty, no form of criminality will be entertained in Kano State. The command will continue to apply the law firmly and fairly against thuggery, drug trafficking, and violent offending. I am pleased to note that available data and feedback from communities indicated that crime is reducing across several areas of the state. This progress is the result of sustained operational pressure, better intelligence flow, and professionalism of officers. I appreciate the Kano State government for its consistent support and cooperation, which have strengthened our operational capacity. More fundamentally, I thank the people of Kano for their trust, vigilance, and willingness to share information. Public support is a bedrock of policing, and it is making the difference we are now seeing. I urge continued partnership, report suspicious movement and criminal activity to the nearest police formation or through our emergency lines. All informations will be treated confidentially and acted upon promptly. To those who profit from violence and illicit drugs, Kano is no longer a safe operating environment. The 345 suspects in custody will face due process. The command will maintain sustained pressure through raids, intelligence, operations, and prosecution until criminality becomes untenable. The Kano State Command remains focused on protecting lives and property, upholding the rules of law, and sustaining the downward trend in crime. Operation Kukankura will continue. The BCRU will be further strengthened, and our engagement with community will be deepened. Thank you for your attention.